Traditional databases too often strip away valuable context and relationships in order to cram information into rows and columns. This makes it hard to surface complex or recursive patterns. With Virtual Graph, Neo4j now introduces a way to bring graph powered insights to your existing data warehouses, all without having to move your data. In this demo, we will use Neo4j Virtual Graph to identify circular payments on an existing cloud data warehouse. Let's start where most banks actually keep their transaction history, in a cloud data warehouse. Here, we're in Snowflake. We've got an account table that has things like account ID, account number, account type, and we also have a transaction table that has things like transaction ID, amount type, status, and date. Setting up is easy. You provide some connection details. It will verify the connection, hit confirm, and then create a new graph model. Here, you can use GenAI to generate a graph model for you. As you can see, Neo4j is able to create robust graph models with just a click of the button. Okay, now we're in Neo4j desktop. We will be using a composite database, so we can query both our virtual graph, which connects to our transactional Snowflake DB, and a separate AuraDB, which holds customer master data, such as know your customer profiles, addresses, phone numbers, etc. Let's start with this simple query against our virtual graph. We're going to find the path of a transaction from the sender to the beneficiary. I'm running it against Federated Virtual, which means under the hood, Neo4j is going to translate this into a SQL query against Snowflake and stream the results back. Now, the interesting part. I want to find a circular payment. This simple Cypher query will do just that, and a virtual graph will translate it into SQL and pull the results from Snowflake. And here it is, 3 accounts, 3 transactions, money flowing all the way around. Cycle moved about $7,300 in a closed loop. But we have a problem. We have 3 IDs and no idea who these people are. Let's use a federated query to fix that. It will combine results from our virtual graph and our dedicated AuraDB with our customer information. The first call block runs against the virtual graph. That's Snowflake. Inside this block, we're doing the same cycle detection we just ran, and we're returning a list of IDs called cycle IDs, as you can see here. We then use cycle IDs from the first block and pass them into the second, where we match every customer that owns one of those 3 accounts, pulling their addresses, alerts, and the scenarios that fired. Let's see what was returned. We have the 3 accounts involved in the circular transaction: Thomas Peterson, Cynthia Rowe, and Susan Thompson. Some of these individuals already have alerts like high-risk jurisdictions or counterparty transactions. Others, like Susan Thompson, don't have any existing alerts. And there you have it, graph-powered insights without disrupting your existing data infrastructure. No messy ETLs, and you can start seeing value quickly before major investment. And the best part, it plugs in directly to the world's leading graph intelligence platform, Neo4j.